Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2021. And the third Sudoku is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 1 I will do. And this will be a number 2263. All right, 2263. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O, hand one, then one. Double O, hand one, then one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. All right, and now I think I need to compare. Yes, we need to compare. 2, 3. Do we have a double O? No. 1001. Yes, the second column and the fourth column. 11001100, empty box 11. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. All right, great binary puzzle. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. No, it's not a Sudoku, it's a tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, so prepare for the last one. It's a 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.